These are Grammy and Grandpa's daylilies. They don't have any pretty flowers yet either. But pretty soon. And right now today it's April 25th, so we'll have to come back later and see what they look like. Okay, let's go down here and see what.
Oh, look on this side of the house. There's already some things growing here, aren't there? These are called Lily of the Valley, and down there, those pretty purple ones you see, those are tulips. There's the tulips, aren't they pretty? They're waving at you. They're waving their little heads in the wind. Hi, Ethan. Hi, Naomi. Hi, Maggie Sue. Hi, Valerie. Hi, Nicholas. That's what the tulips are saying. Here's the Lily of the Valley. They have little tiny, tiny, tiny white flowers. And they'll be bigger in a little while.
Hi, Six. Can you see her? I guess Six wants to be in the movie. You want to say hi? Say hi, Six. She's a very silly kitty. Bye-bye, kitty.